Pigeon hears something scary. The dollar might collapse. Collapse? Like fall off a building? Pigeon nervous. What even is the dollar? It's US money. Green, crinkly, kind of ugly. But it's also world money, used for trade. Oil, gold, bread. Pigeon only needs it to buy a new iPhone and also a funny hat for his cat. Don't ask why. So, what does collapse mean? It means the dollar loses value very fast. One day, strong. Next day, bread wrapper. Nobody wants it. Nobody believes in it. Today, dollar buys bread. Tomorrow, dollar buys nothing. But why do pigeons care? Because this money is everywhere. Other countries keep it. They trade with it and they save it. One pigeon even put all of his into a 401k thinking he'd retire one day. All pigeons laugh. The dollar is like the king of corn. Other countries trust it. They believe the US will pay its bills, and that trust makes the dollar strong. So what could destroy it? Biggest risk? World quits the dollar. China says, let's use our own money. Europe says, bye-bye green paper. Crypto Raccoon says, use my coin, trust me. If that happens, boom, the dollar is no longer king, more like an expired coupon. But the truth is, there's no new king yet. Other money tries to rise, but the world still picks the dollar, for now. But there's another problem, a big one. The US owes a lot of money. One pigeon saw the debt chart and just passed out. Pigeon lenders start sweating. They raise interest because the lending feels risky. Payments go up, so the US struggles more. Trust drops and pigeons panic. They switch to safer money, like the yuan, or even Crypto Raccoon's shiny coin. And just like that, the dollar collapses. But there is one more thing that could break trust. Too much dollar printing. Print too many dollars and its value drops. That's called inflation. If dollars flood the world, each one is worth less. Bad news for pigeon investors. So they might fly to a stronger currency. Pigeons hate losing money. Pigeon already made a video about inflation. Go see after snack. What happens in the US? Prices go crazy. Now, bread costs $20 and gas costs 3 wings and 2 cupcakes per drop. But why does Pigeon care about gas prices? Pigeons can fly. But Pigeon watches the news and panics anyway. Jobs vanish. Savings worth less. Imports super expensive. Everyone angry. Even raccoons. What happens to pigeons? Groceries get more expensive and rent prices go up. So Pigeon ends up sleeping on a bench. No more travel. No more vacations to the beach. Savings melt like warm butter and even rich birds sweat. So, what would other governments do? A. Use other pigeon currencies. B. Sell all their dollar reserves. C. Stop trading with pigeons in the US. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Pigeons in Russia already started doing it, and now pigeons in the US are panicking. Can it be stopped? Yes, but only if birds in charge stop saying, "Relax bro, just trust the process." Don't print endless dollars just because it feels good. Keep prices steady and calm the corn market. Pay your debts on time. No drama. If pigeons think you might default, they'll fly away fast. Stick to your promises and don't cause surprise chaos. Trust is the nest everything sits in. A squirrel family took the nest and now Pigeon is calling the police. Anyway, back to the economy. They should make trading in dollars easy. Big trades, big stuff, like tech, planes, and fuel. Keep it simple and pigeons will keep using it. Collapse is hard. Dollar is tied into everything, but trust can fade fast in the pigeon world. Pigeon size. Collapse sounds scary and probably won't happen soon, but it's not impossible. World runs on trust, and trust is fragile. Pigeon still eats bread, but now Pigeon keeps one eye on the dollar.